Today we will discuss some details of zinc in our body. So what is the importance of zinc in our body that we will look. So basically zinc is one type of an essential trace element because very small amount of zinc are necessary for human health. Simple trace elements, a simple meaning of trace element means whatever the mineral that is needed in a very small amount, but that small amount is very important or necessary for our body. So since our body does not store excess zinc, it must be consumed regularly as part of the diet. So you have to remember, once you have taken zinc, then it is not sufficient. You have to take zinc at a regular interval. So zinc is a chemical element with the symbol of Zn and atomic number 30. That is chemical characteristic of the zinc. Further, zinc is an essential mineral including to prenatal and postnatal development. So from the pregnancy, the importance of zinc or requirement of zinc is started. Further, zinc deficiency affects about 2 billion people in the developing world and is associated with the many diseases. So that disease are mostly common cold, gastroenteritis, diarrhea or even growth development. So first in children, deficiency causes growth retardation, delayed sexual maturation, infection susceptibility and diarrhea. Further, so many enzymes with a zinc atom in the reactive center. So mostly active center, many enzymes containing zinc are widespread in the biochemistry, and some example like alcohol dehydrogenase, carbonic anhydrase and carboxypeptidase. So they are involved, one involved in alcohol metabolism, carbonic anhydrase that is important enzyme for the regulation of carbon dioxide inside the body. Further, for the protein metabolism, carboxypeptidase. So mostly how this zinc is available, so it is mostly available in a single tablet as well as over the counter daily vitamin mineral supplement as a multivitamin multimineral tablet. Zinc is included mostly in the form of zinc oxide, zinc acetate or zinc gluconate. Now where it is needed or where deficiency mostly seen, so generally zinc supplement is recommended where there is a high risk of zinc deficiency such as low and middle income countries. So mostly some countries from the Asian and African or some particular part where zinc is deficient in the soil. As a preventive measure, that zinc tablet is given. Although zinc sulfate is commonly used zinc form, zinc citrate, zinc gluconate and picolinate may be valid option for as well for the giving as a zinc supplement. So these form are better absorbed than the zinc oxide. So you have to remember that zinc is one of the trace element which is needed at a regular interval. If sufficiently not provided, that can lead to the so many problem mostly in the children as well as in the elder people.